Huawei launched its new smartphone under Enjoy series in China called Huawei Enjoy 70X Premium. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 70X Premium features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and the screen is protected by aluminosilicate glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Kirin 8000 chipset, paired with Mali G610 MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Huawei Enjoy 70X Premium sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under pill-shaped hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos. The device comes backed by a massive 6,100 mAh battery with 40 watts fast charging support, and it runs on HarmonyOS 4.2 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes Dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164 by 74.88 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 70X Premium Edition has been priced in China for 256GB storage variant at 1,899 Chinese yuan, while the 512GB storage option is priced at 2,199 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in sand gold, starry blue, and obsidian black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 70X Premium Edition smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.